Hello, welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? Today I have a whole project here. And just like I did with my Nate's Art Lab collab Ninja Swipe, I am going to put my paint colors in my description box because I have a bunch and it just takes too long to go through them. So they will be in my description box in all of their unedited glory. And today I'm going to do a hide and reveal on a 16 by 16 wood panel. And this is going to be used as a tabletop eventually. So let's just get down on the wood panel, not on the canvas. Ha ha ha, caught myself. And see what happens. Okay, so for my pillow, I have the ever recalcitrant red lid on my PPG Pro 47-3110, this one. And we're just going to put that down as our pillow right now. Hebeo iridescent copper. TLP caramel drizzle. TLP emerald. TLP mermaid. But we don't have very much of it. Plum Crazy, which is sort of in the same shape as the mermaid, which is to say there ain't much of it. We have Blick Fluid Anthraquinone Blue. Custom smoky green that I made not too long ago. Lucas Krill Mauve, precious little of that too. TLP Crescendo. We have TLP Venus. That's a lot to hide. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and put this around the outside so that I don't end up with weird dry marks, which I hate. Now comes the hiding part. part that gives me the most problems, usually. So we're going to put our black paint on here, and we're going to hide shaken CA. This well shaken CA. And I'm going to cover with black.
In the strange light of the cold February,
strip of white. And I'm just going to go through here. Why did I do that? Because there is so much paint on here that it's just gonna fling everywhere and be nothing but waste. Here we go. Before we get going too much here, I'm going to see if I can move this down just a little. Yes, I can.
I can be a shadow rolling on the street. I can make the same movements on repeat. I can go on walking when I'm sound asleep. I can lose myself that way. Wanna see from the bright side. Keep my head in the game. Be a shaker out in the night. trying. But I can go on talking without doing things.
I think I've got spun out here. So I'm gonna tilt it around a little bit, see if things are still moving a lot. A bit, yes. Oh, I see what I need to do. I don't like that at all. Instead of moving things over here, I'll move things down there.
Just with a few tries, be a fighter who's swinging, keep my feet level in the land of the make a big strides, see what I find along the way. Wanna lend you my shoulder, be a pillar of strength, be a giver out in the land of the living. Wanna be on the inside.
Okay, here are the wet results of my hide and reveal on my 16 by 16 inch cradle wood board. I, for the most part, think this is pretty cool. There was a big booger right in the middle of that little turquoise whirlpool right there, which is what made the whirlpool. I'm out of breath, y'all. This cleaning up is hard work. I really do like this. There are a couple of places that I kind of don't like, but overall, I think it's pretty cool. Got some nice big cells. Look at those. Wowie, cool. Here comes one of the places I'm not fond of right there, that white scrape. But even it has cells in it. Ha! I dug a little too deep into my pillow. But, you know, even the white parts have color for the most part. So I really do like the cells that I got, though. I think they're really pretty. I love these purple hollow ones. I think those are neat. Oh, yes, indeedy. Quite a monumental work, these hide and reveals. I like them a lot, but they are tricky. Tricky, tricky. Ooh, see it? I don't have to go get that bubble. But yeah. So anyway, this is going to be a little tabletop. I'll show you how that works directly when we're dry. Okie doke. Okie doke. Bum, bum, bum. Dig it. Look at that. So pretty. Ooh wee, look at that. I love that. That's so cool. Some of the areas in this thing are just pretty flippin' amazing. Yeah. Pretty neat. There's another air bubble. Have to come over here with my skewer. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty right there with that purple. Anyway, fun times. I will see you when it is dry. Here is the dry result of my 16 by 16 inch wood cradle board tabletop hide and reveal. Woo, that's a lot. I think I have it upside down. There we go, that's better, I think. I'm still learning this technique. It is a lot. And what I've learned from this particular one is I need to make more curves as I am swiping. because this one looks kind of straight liney to me. I don't think I still got it right. Anyway, it does have some pretty places. The lacing and cells are pretty. I really like those ones, the purple next to the aqua there. I think that's really pretty. But yeah, this one is just for myself, for a little table for my breezeway. I love that purple. That's so pretty right there. But yeah, I need to start concentrating now that I know sort of ish how to get the swipes. I need to start concentrating on how I make them, which needs to be more curvy. But I like this. I think it's pretty. It's got a lot of really pretty parts. There are just a few places that make me go, ew, why? But yeah, that's what happens when you're learning stuff. You got to get through the not so pretty parts to figure out why. And that's where I'm at. So thanks so much for watching. Before you go, make sure that subscribe button is clicked. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment, because talking to y'all is fun. And share with your friends if you can. We really need to get these videos outside of our little artist sort of queue, I guess is a good way to put it. Because, you know, that's just how it works. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.